Hey, stop scrolling! Check out our tutorial on how to paint this adorable polar bear and her cub. Let's start with a cool background using shades of blue and white. When you're happy with the look, flick white paint onto the canvas to create a snow effect. Let's paint the icy foreground now. Layer blue onto a white base to create levels to your painting, like this. Grab some thinned out light blue paint for this next step, which is painting the outline of our polar bears. Use ovals and circles to place its head, body, and arms, plus a little cub to sit between her legs. Use white to paint the outline and fill it all in with layers of white. Wait a little for your bear to dry, then add one more layer to make her super opaque. Now mix paint to make broken white and a yellowish gray for the next step. Use these paints to define the shape of your polar bear and paint its fur. This step makes your polar bear look way more realistic. Use that darker shade of yellow-gray to add shading to your bear. Don't forget the details of the faces of both the mama and baby bear. Add some shadows at her feet, and your polar bear masterpiece is done! Want to paint more polar bears with us? Check out our upcoming Aurora Borealis class this Sunday, 18th December. Read the caption for more info.